Hello everyone. Today we are making Burrito Bowl, a Mexican delicacy and a perfect one dish meal. The first part is to make the herb rice. For this, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes to it. Then add sliced onion and saute for 1 or 2 minutes. When the onions turn a little translucent, add chopped capsicum and again cook for further 1 or 2 minutes. We need to keep the vegetables crunchy, so do not overcook. Then add boiled corn and mix everything well. To this, add 2 cups of cooked rice. Here I have taken the long grain basmati rice. Next, we will add around 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, salt as per taste, and Mexican seasoning. Now this is optional. Mix everything well so that the rice, the veggies and the seasoning combine well and all the flavors mix up. Put the lid and cook for a minute. Next we will make the refried beans. For this again add crushed garlic to hot oil and chili flakes. Mix it well and then add finely chopped onions. Saute the onions for a minute or two and then add finely chopped tomatoes to it. You need to mash the tomatoes while they are being cooked to give the sauce a little mushy consistency. Next, add the Mexican seasoning. Again, this is optional as we have been adding chili flakes. If you have it, you can add. If you don't, you can skip this part. Then add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and boiled and mashed rajma or red kidney beans. Add around a tablespoon of water and salt as per taste. Mix everything well and then let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes with the lid on. Next we'll make the sour cream. For making the sour cream, take 1 cup of hung curd, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a good mix and your sour cream is ready. Next we will make uncooked salsa. For that I have taken chopped onions, chopped tomatoes. To this we will add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, salt as per taste. Here I have taken around 1/4 teaspoon, and then add finely chopped coriander. Look at the color. Mix everything well and your uncooked salsa is ready. Now let's start the final assembly. As the name says, burrito bowl, it's a one dish meal. So you can either serve in individual serving bowls or assemble it in a big bowl the way I am doing. The first layer will be of the herb rice. Evenly spread the herb rice in the bowl first. The next layer is of the refried beans. Spread a thick layer of refried beans above the rice. Next, we will add the sour cream. A nice and thick layer of sour cream just above the refried beans. Above that, we'll layer up the uncooked salsa. Now make sure once you make your uncooked salsa and sour cream, you keep it inside the refrigerator until you prepare the other parts of the dish. Top this up with some grated processed cheese. Now the quantity can vary as per your taste. If you like it more, you can spread more of it. And then last, we will add nacho chips. I have used the store-bought nacho chips here. It gives a nice crunch to the dish. Our colorful and flavorful burrito bowl is ready. Thank you for watching. If you liked watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.